Continuing from the previous part two, this is going to be a part three. So, what I wanted to show you, folks, is how to create a virtual environment, right? And why exactly a virtual environment first? Because now you can see over here, this is my virtual environment that I created. And inside this, my all package, library, everything will be confined over here. So, in case if there is a compatibility issue, I can create another virtual environment and I can put all the component related one inside that. So this visualize it as a container for you, right? And all your packages, whatever installable that you're going to do, would be inside this. Okay. Now, um, how do I create it first, right? Python. Uh, Use it carefully. How exactly some of you guys might have installed it with Python 3. Some might be in Python. So just figure it out. What exactly? I mean, I'm pretty much sure you guys have already started using which component. So now I'm going to show you that minus m virtual env space dot v environment, right? This is the name I have given over here. I can even give it as like, let me just show that, right? Python minus m virtual environment minus sorry dot shaji. So now that's the virtual environment I'm creating. Yeah. So I created inside the source, which is not correct. I mean, it should be have been the root directory, but I'm just going to delete it. That's how we have actually created it. Yeah. Now, once I created the virtual environment, now think about I created. I'm going to fall back onto this one only, not on this one. Now, so what I need to do is um, source. Just forget about this dot shaji because it'll confuse some of you guys. Now, think about the command which I run is Python minus m virtual environment dot venv. This is a command, and then I press enter. That's get created. Okay, it's always better to have that standards being kept. Don't randomly type in your name, your spouse name, or anything of that sort. It's better always to maintain a standard which we normally use. Yeah, or maybe your project might be using. So I'm utilizing it as venv. Now what we want to do is source how to activate it. That's what I'm saying. So venv. Since I think I am in a directory higher than that, I'm going to do a cd double dot. So yeah, and another comment. So when I do a cd double dot, what exactly I'm doing is I'm going to go one folder behind, right? That's exactly what is happening. So when I do a one folder behind, okay, let me just show that for those folks who are not aware of it. Present working directory and enter. I can see this, I am inside src and I wanted to reach to DSP. That's what my intention is, right? Yeah, this folder is where I want to reach. So how do I do that? CD double dot enter. Now, if I do my present working directory and enter, I can see I'm inside my DSP. Yeah. Now I type in my activate command. So here I would have created Python minus m v environment and dot venv. Enter. The venv gets created. Yeah. Okay. Assuming we got created. Now what I want to do is source how to activate that virtual environment. So you can see over here, it's shown as base. Now I wanted to jump inside the virtual environment. That's what my whole and soul idea. How do I do that? Source, sorry, um, dot v tab, yeah, b as in bin tab, a activate, enter. See over here, that's got changed. Now I am inside the virtual environment, yeah, and this is where I'm just going to do a clear, and this is where I'm going to run my all commands and all whatever. So clear. So if you wanted to see all the installables, everything available, I'm minimize it. Let me just click on this. You can see inside library what all things we have installed. PySpark, pyda intake, all those things are the one which we have installed inside. Yeah. So so that's what it is. Now if I this is where we can start playing around, write in your command, finish off your assignment. Yeah, thank you.